So Bishop Collins is a brand that's existed for 25 years, and as a brand it was a little bit tight in terms of how it was represented in market. And what we really wanted to do was to make sure that the brand reflected the personality of the owners that exist today, which is why we've adopted a bit more of a coastal theme, which is aligned with the environment that we provide services and support businesses in, but also really just to bring something fresh to market and showcase our personalities as well. So my name is Philip Keenan, Director of Bishop Collins. Been here for a little while now. I've been in the industry for 25 years and a member of Bishop Collins for the last 15. I didn't always know that I wanted to be an accountant, but something that I'm very passionate about is business, and I'm interested in business, and ultimately that's why I decided to transition into accounting. We've gone to market with a new brand message, and that brand message is "You're not alone in business." Well, I guess often we hear that business owners, one of their biggest challenges is that they don't feel that they have a sounding board, somebody to sort of ask questions of or with in relation to their business issues. And one of the most enjoyable aspects of our role is, I guess, supporting business owners with the challenges that they might be facing. One of the advantages of working with a chartered accountant is that we have a broad range of experience across a broad range of industries, and that allows us to kind of bring different ideas to sort of people's circumstances where they might be a little bit stuck. And that's where we add a lot of value, and it's the type of work that gives us the most enjoyment as well as professionals, and assists with helping business owners not feel alone in business. The types of businesses that we really enjoy working with are businesses that have a turnover of at least $2 million and where the business owner has a growth mindset. They're really looking to sort of move beyond where they currently are. And that might be in a whole range of reasons. It could be in terms of personal wealth creation. It might be in terms of expanding into new markets. It might be seeking to understand their tax structure and how they can operate more tax efficiently. But we add most value to people who are really looking to sort of move beyond where they currently are in whatever format that looks like and whatever that means to them. The business environment is very dynamic, and business owners are constantly faced with challenge. A common challenge for business owners is having enough access to enough working capital to grow. It might be understanding why their accounting profit for their financial statements doesn't reflect the amount of money that they have in their bank account. And that can be really challenging for people. The number of times I've heard people say, you're telling me that I've made a couple $100,000 in profit, but it's not in my bank account, so where is it? So really getting people to understand what drives business outcomes and what can limit businesses, both in terms of access to capital for growth, but also how to make sure that they're collecting the profit that they earn in cash, is one of the common challenges, and it's a conversation that we're often having, and really seeking to support our clients to understand the difference between profit and cash, and then what opportunities are also available to them if they don't have enough cash to grow, and how they might obtain that cash to facilitate that growth. I mean, the new office move for us is a bit of a milestone. 15 years in the old location. It's good to have a bit of a fresh start. So we've got a refreshed logo, a refreshed location, and that's good for the team, which in turn is good for clients because they get continuity in terms of the team that's servicing and supporting them. For us, it's about continuing to provide good service to clients who appreciate that service, because our business is really about helping people, and the focus for us is, I guess, ensuring that we're able to achieve that objective in a sustainable way. So it's not about trying to be the biggest or the best, but it is definitely about ensuring that that our current clients are being serviced, that we're helping those that are also seeking support. So those business owners that have a growth mindset and are looking to continue to expand and build in their business. For us, it's really just about finding the right team to support those clients and keep building a better business. Well, the Bishop Collins brand represents a range of stakeholders, and those stakeholders aren't just business owners, but they're the clients that we work with, they're the team that works with us and supports our clients. It's the community that we're involved in, and the leadership group of Bishop Collins in the present moment I see them as holding the baton and they're the custodian of the brand for a period of time. And I'd like to see the brand continue to flourish and continue to be improve. And one day the baton will be handed on, but Bishop Collins will still exist, and that legacy will be around for hopefully many years to come, so that it can continue to support businesses on the Central Coast and in surrounding areas.